IG mama, so guy. Cat, there's a Onio. Replace it with text. Did you say Onio? Yes, I did. I didn't say Onio. But why for? I don't know. That season and who was responsible for this. Anyways, like I was saying, there's a Onio. Replace it with text. I think because 65 minutes before, and oh my god, this to the onion, it's good, and I feel the cry at the same time. Oh dear god, I hit the onion before get it anyone else. And also the reason why you is because it smells disgusting by penny it, because if you did that, well, almost like what to do. A Pueblo Ghost episode called The City of Roadshow. It seriously, it still smells the stuff. David Jones? Anyways, let's get the Onio out of the studio and wait for Waytext to come back. And that will to take 4.